Yun. So, ngayon ituturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano ang summation of a constant habang iginagalaw kong camera ko kasi hindi pantay ang pagkakalagay ko. Wait lang. Ayan. Hop. Ayan. Sige. Is na yan. So, let's have summation of constant. So, ito yung pangalawang lesson pagdating sa module number 2 para sa statistics for grade 9. So, paano nga ba natin ginagawa ang summation of a constant? So, actually, isa to sa pinakamadali na parts ng sigma notation or sabi natin summation. So, for example, we have the summation of 7 when I is equal to 1 to 5. So, basically, we're just multiplying in this kind of expression. So, paano ba yun? So, we just write the constant, yung given, which is 7. Then, bibilang lang tayo kung ilan nga ba yung mula 1 to 5. So, di ba meron tayong 1 hanggang 5 daw. 2, 3, 4, 5. So, bibilang lang tayo ng 1 hanggang 5 na 7. So, we will have 7, yung pangunang 7, pangalawang 7, pangatlong 7, pang-apat na 7, at pang-limang 7. So, we will have the summation of 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. And that is 7 times 5. And that is equal to, ilan bang 7 times 5? That is 35. So, the summation of 7 when I is equal to 1 up to 5 is equal to 35. How about example number 2? We have the summation of 2 when I is equal to 3 to 6. So, bilang tayo ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then, since siya ay summation of constant, replace lang natin siya ng 2. So, ito yung constant natin, ibig sabihin hindi nagbabago mula 1 hanggang 6. Yun pa din at yun pa din yung kanyang value. So, ibig sabihin, yun lang yung ating i-add or isasum. So, since yung ating I ay nagmula sa 3, and then we end up to 6. So, ito lang yung ating ipag-add. So, we will have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. And this is our final answer for number 2. How about the summation of 3 when I is equal to 4 to 9? So, magkakaroon tayo ng ilan nga bang numbers meron yung 4 hanggang 9? So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then, yung constant natin na value ng ay 3. Pero, magsisimula tayo sa 4. Diba? And then, magtatapos tayo sa 9. So, lalagyan natin ng values yung ating 3, na 3, yung ating mula 4 hanggang 9. So, we will have, this is 3. So, 3 plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, is equal to, ilan ba yun? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, that is 6 times 3, that is 18. And that is our final answer. And that's how you do the summation of a constant. Let's have another example. And this is the summation of sum. So, summation of sum, medyo iba naman siya dun sa ating naunang example. So, ngayon, meron na tayong x values and we have the y values. For our x values, we have x sub 1 is equal to 1, x sub 2 ay equal sa 2, x sub 3 ay equal sa 5, and x sub 4 is equal to 4. And then for our y value, yung ating y sub 1 ay 3, y sub 2 ay 8, y sub 3 ay 7, and y sub 4 ay 6. So we are being asked, what is the summation of x plus y when I is equal to 1 to 4? So ang gagawin natin dito is ipag-plus muna natin yung kanyang value. So yung ating x sub I muna. So yung x sub I natin, ipag-plus natin sa y sub I natin. So we will have x sub 1 plus 3 plus, so 1 to 4 daw yung ating ipagpa-plus. 1 to 4, so magkakaroon tayo ng 2 plus 8. And then, pag-plus natin yung 5 plus 7. And then, 4 plus 6. So ito yung x sub 1 natin, y sub 1, x sub 1, tsaka x sub 2, tsaka y sub 2, x sub 3, and y sub 3, and then x sub 4, y sub 4. So ito yun. And then we will have to simplify this. So we will have 1 plus 3 ay 4. And then 2 plus 8 ay 10. Plus 5 plus 7 is 12. And then 4 plus 6 ay 10. So we will have, yung total nito ay 36. Okay. So let's have, that is the final answer. And then let's have the summation of x plus y when I is equal to 2 up to 3. So, para mas madali din ma-compute ito, ganito naman ang gagawin natin. Yung second natin na way para mag-compute. So, 1 plus 3 ay 4. This is for x sub 1. And then, 2 plus 8 is 10. 5 plus 7 is 12. And 4 plus 6 is 10. So, dito sa ating question number 2, we are asked yung summation ng ating x plus y mula 2 hanggang 3. So, since ito lamang yung hinihingi ng ating given equation, ng given problem, so, ang gagawin lang natin, we just have to look for yung ating number 2 and then yung ating pang third na ordered pair, that is 10 plus 12. And 10 plus 12 is equal to 22. And that is our final answer for the summation of sum. Okay. Let's have the summation of variable and constant. Ito naman, pinagsama na natin yung variable and then yung ating constant. So, yung una nating example, yung ating sa unang part, yung unang video natin for the sigma notation, and then yung ating second example kanina. So, we have the given values ng x sub I natin, which is 2. So, ito yung ating first value. And then, we have yung ating second value for x, that is 5. And then, we have yung third value natin, which is 3. And then, the last, or the fourth value is 7. Then, we have the constant, which is 4. So, the question is, what is the summation of x sub I plus c when I is equal to 1 to 4? So, tulad nung ginawa natin kanina doon sa ating last example, we just have to make our solutions clearer, di ba? Mas maintindihan, mas malinis kumbaga. So, we will have, pagpa-plus muna natin yung ating x sub I. So, kukunin mo natin yung values na ating 1 to 4 ng x sub I. So, mangyayari doon, we have 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. And then, ating kukuhanin naman yung value ng ating constant, which is 4. So, we have plus 4, yung pangunang 4, pangalawang 4, pangatlong 4, and then yung pang-apat na 4. So, we will have 1 to 4 ng constant natin na variable. So, we will have 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7, and that is equal to 20 plus yung ating given naman na constant, which is 4. So, we will have 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, and that is equal to 16. So, 20 plus 16, we have 36 for our first example. And for our second example naman, so, ang kukunin lang natin is yung mula 2 hanggang 3. So, ito yung part na yon. So, ito yung ating bibigyan ng, ito yung ating isosolve. So, magkakaroon tayo ng variables muna, 5 plus 6, ito yun, 2 hanggang 3, and then, lagay natin yung ating constant, which is 4 plus 4. So, we will have 5 plus 6 is equal to 11 plus 8, and this is equal to 20. So, that's how you do the summation of variable and constant. So, that is how you do yung ating module number 2 for statistics, the sigma notation. So, I will upload more of the videos and more of the tutorials for the upcoming videos for the next day. So, I hope you learn and that you have a good day. Thank you.